currently 12:37 and obviously today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. So right now I'm going to show you how I make my chia pudding. And a little while ago I made cupcakes, but I made too much icing and I also use it in some cookies that I make, but I have a bit left over, so I'm going to make those cookies to use the rest of the icing and then it will probably be lunchtime. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys along while I do that. Also guys, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. But yeah, let's get into this video. So this is my outfit of the day. My top is from Glassons and my jeans are from Cotton On. It's just a really basic outfit, but I think it's cute. But that's enough yapping. Let's get into making the chia pudding and the cookies. This is the book where the cookies are from. It's these cookies. They're red velvet. I've made them before and they're really good. I literally don't make any adjustments, except I'm pretty sure I don't have white chocolate chips, so I'm just gonna make it without. But yeah. So we're either gonna have brown velvet cookies, or I found this ancient food coloring and there's no red, but I could probably just put in like pink and purple and hope for the best. I don't know. I'm gonna give it a go because why not? Okay, so that did absolutely nothing. So I finished making my cookies and now they just have to wait in the fridge for like an hour or something, but I'll cook them eventually. Now I'm gonna make my chia pudding and that will have to sit for a while, so I'll probably be able to eat that later tonight. And it's lunchtime now, so I'm probably gonna make something. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna make, so I'm probably just gonna like eat a bunch of like random things. Like I think I have some leftovers and then I don't really know what else I'm gonna eat. And I obviously don't eat the same thing every day. But yeah, now I'm gonna make my chia pudding and I'll show you my recipe. Okay, so I actually just asked ChatGPT how to make good chia pudding and I have tried it before and it's pretty good, so that's what I'm going to be doing. First I put like 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into a container or jar. I'll add more if it needs, and then I fill up the milk to about there, which I think is just under a cup. And then I add vanilla extract and honey. I do 2 teaspoons of honey and then half of vanilla extract. Hey guys, so I just finished taking a shower. As you can tell, I've got my comfy little pajamas on and it's currently 5:17 and now I'm gonna make dinner. So I actually like never make dinner. My parents just always make dinner. Tonight we're having homemade pizzas and I'm gonna make it. So yeah, I'm gonna go and make those now. Okay, so I've got 2 pizzas in the oven, just a plain cheese one and then a ham and cheese one. I'm just cooking for my siblings and I. And they're all younger than me, so we had to have some more like basic ones. My brother and I are gonna have like a spicy one too, I think. Anyways, but they're almost ready to get out of the oven, and then when I take those out, I'll put in some more pizzas and then we kind of just eat them as they come out.